everyone, and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If you're new to my channel, what I do here is we make art out of the simple supplies we have around us. So you're not having to run out to the store during a pandemic. You're grabbing what you have, you're saving supplies, you're saving recycling, you're making your own glue in some cases, or if you need to, you can always order online. But I try to do things that you will have around you. So for today, we're going to be focusing on positive and negative space. I know normally I don't really get into this vocab, but it's really important to think about the space in a drawing or a painting. So the positive space is the space that an object takes up. For instance, a water bottle. This is the positive space. The space around it in a drawing would be the negative space. Or if you look at this painting behind me, here we have negative space, here we have negative space. The positive space is this red arch. So it's really important to think about not always just sticking an object in the middle of a page, kind of how I'm standing right here in the middle of this video. Sometimes it's more interesting to put it over here, and then we have our negative space around us. So always think when we're setting up a drawing or a painting, thinking about this positive and negative space to kind of lift up and elevate our drawings. So all you're gonna need today is paper and a pencil. If you want to use watercolors, if you want to use markers, if you want to use crayons, that's fine. But really, all we need is paper and a pencil. So let's go grab our supplies and get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to pick an object. So you could either do anything around your house that will trace well, because we're going to trace it once and we're going to draw it once. So for this, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do my glue bottle, and I am going to carefully, with a pencil, draw lightly. I just want to make sure it turns out nice. So there we go. So this is going to be my negative, and then I'm going to do it one more time as my positive. And this time I'm going to think about my shadow as well. My light is coming from right above. Remember, I'm just doing this in a pen so you can see it easier, but normally I would do something like this with a pencil. So now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to draw my shadow as well. So there's my shadow. It's kind of big because I have this ring light coming down onto it. And for the positive, we're going to be drawing the details. So I'm going to draw this ring. We're going to make it, we're rounding this. We're drawing it three-dimensional, so we're drawing our curves. We're taking our time. And we can go ahead and add as much detail as we want to it. And for this one, we're going to leave the inside white, and I'm going to go ahead just with some paint. I'm going to add just my background to this. I'm just loosely kind of showing you what I mean by saying this is my negative space. And because it's art, might as well have fun with the colors. So there we go. This is my negative, and this is going to be my positive space. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to do this a little bit abstract, just kind of thinking about my colors. And then my shadow. So there's my positive and there's my negative. So I hope you had fun learning about our positive and negative space. So remember, the negative space is the area that's not thought about. So here, the white area here is our negative space. Our positive is the bottle. Here, our positive space is the colorful outside, and the negative space is that inside area. So I hope you had fun learning a little something new. Maybe you can put this into some of your art and elevate what you're creating at home. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video. And I hope to see you next time. Bye, friends.